Good morning, traders, snackers, and truthers. Silver Goldman here. We're Wednesday, March 21st, 2018. Okay, so I get up this morning. I've got an email from one of the traders and two other emails from either subscribers or viewers of my videos letting me know that, well, Snippy had gone out and bought himself a jet ski. I'm like, oh, yeah. And they're like, well, two of them said, check out the comments. I'm like, okay, I'll go take a look, I guess. So here's the video, and I realize this video is not going to interest you, a lot of you, but I'm going to make my point that this non-stop exposing of his lies and Trader Boss as a Forex scammer has had an impact, and I'm about to share with you the numbers at the end of the video here. It's, you know, he can't hide this. He's hidden many of your comments. He's banned many of you, and you can't leave comments. Some of you try leaving comments, and then when you refresh the page after logging out, you realize, oh, your comment's not showing. That's right. So you're hidden. Your comments have been hidden, but folks, the numbers are there. We're having an impact. I just want to go over some of the comments that were left in this jet ski video because, you know, it's unfortunate. A lot of these JSNIP4 Kool-Aid drinkers, they're alcoholics. They're, well, Kool-Aid holics, I guess is what you call it, and they don't want to seek out the facts. So they listen to this con man, lying con man, who can't even come out and have a live debate with me. I mean, even his one of his amigos is what he calls them, the three amigos, right? Cliff High offered him $5,000 US to come out and have a live debate. Again, Cliff won't do it because they know I'm going to expose them very easily. So I'm not going to deal too much with the comments here, but it's kind of funny when I look at the top comment, only three thumbs up. And look at the next one now, 55. Should it not be at the top? Of course it should be, right? So the game is rigged. This is why I've been telling you guys, you know, the channels get flagged. Oh, I got 2 flags, you know, I might lose my channel. And all of a sudden, woof, all gone away. That's because these guys like Alex Jones and SGTreport and Cliff High and Snippy, they're all part of this Freemason gang that they're here to mislead the truthers. And then when you catch them in their lies, again, they go and lie about other people and what they've done. This is, people said, you know, like, there's not hate. It's, in my case, retaliation for having lied to people on YouTube about what I've done in his forum, Realist News. And that was really the straw that broke the camel's back. If Snippy had not uploaded the video, if he had just banned me and let me go, we probably would have never gotten to this point. However, looking back, having said that, I'm like, maybe not, because I've been exposing liars and frauds in the financial sector on YouTube since 2009. So long story short, this is not about hate. It's about the truth. And this guy here, this is where I get a kick out of it. You know how I need to be nicer to the guy, buy low, Silver Goldman. You should never buy high. If you listen to JSNIP4, you will do so great. Really? Wow. Okay, so without even getting into the cryptos, let's just talk about what YouTube, JSNIP4 has been doing on this site here for the last 6.5 years, 7 years. He's been talking about silver going to $600 an ounce. When silver reached in 2011, hit $40 an ounce, sorry, after it hit 49 and dropped back down to 40, he made videos telling people to use their credit cards, not telling them, he said, I'm using my credit card, I'm buying a bunch of silver at $40, it's an opportunity of a lifetime. And then when it fell down another $5 lower, he told them again, it's at $35 an ounce, I'm loading the boat on my credit card. And then if you're a regular listener of him, you're probably quite aware how he lost his home. He wrecked his credit, yeah, because he gave out bad financial advice. And I've got emails from people that followed his calls, not on the credit cards, at least none of them, but of people back then who went and followed his calls at 35. And when it fell down to $32 an ounce, he made a video again telling them, don't sell your silver. And those videos are still on JSNIP4's channel, which is probably why he doesn't want to debate me. So I don't know what you guys are talking about. Now, as far as getting on the horse and try again, let's get real about this. I'm not going to pay for any of his courses because it's nothing but a scam, and I've had an impact. Again, I'll share with you guys, I think the video where this is really turned to shits on many of these YouTubers using the Elliott wave to make these predictions and stuff. So my point is here, do I hate him a little more today? No, because I'm laughing my ass off because the numbers don't lie. Even though these comments are popped up at the top, the truth is, you know, Buddy, these are his own subscribers. I'm sure we all could have bought jet skis by now if the trade calls didn't all immediately tank. So you know why he's able to buy the jet ski, right? Because he front loaded the Tether coin and all the other coins that he's been talking to you guys. Snippy has been front loading them. That means he buys them long before it's ever mentioned to you guys, okay? Him and his Crypto J trader boss, that's what they're doing. Scamaramalama ding dang. So he can afford to buy the jet ski because he's front loading and then he pumps it out to you people. And that's why they immediately tank, because as soon as Snippy's buying power was done, guess what? It continues going in the direction it was supposed to go. So here we have a person here I randomly trolled. Yeah, right. An obsession? How about an obsession in exposing the lies? That's what I like, eh? Exposing the lies. So, yeah, Snippy and your calls. Buying a jet ski, haven't paid off the house. So, I don't know, we're getting all kinds of story in that camp. What's important is that you understand is that these people, they're not making any money in his trade calls. They're having to pay way too much. I mean, it was $250 every month. Now these lowered it to $200 apparently because people aren't joining. And let's go. You guys want some proof? Of course. The proof is right here at his Social Blade. You go click on Social Blade, enter JSNIP4, and the numbers don't lie. Last 30 days, his views down 23.5%. His subscribers for the last 30 days down a little over 25%. Just a month ago, 2 months ago, he was making a little over 94K. He's down to 75K. So yes, we're having an impact. Snippy is feeling it. The numbers don't lie, and I believe it had to do with this video, guys. So oddly enough, when you do a search on JSNIP4 on YouTube, well, you can see his latest 2 uploads that show up. You can see the jet ski. And then comes JSNIP4 Trader Called Track Record and Elliott Wave, and I have a strong feeling, you know, this is still locked at 305 a week ago. I think, you know, there's censorship on YouTube. There's no doubt about that. Okay, I'm not going to get into all the points to prove it. There's lots of them. I know. I do research on my own name. People even send me emails. Did you know that this comes up when we do a search on Silver Gold Man? What's going on? Yeah. So their track record, it has absolutely failed. His Litecoin prediction of what, $1,200 to over $1,500, I think Litecoin by March 2018, absolute failure. Telling them to buy it at $300 Litecoin, it's plummeted. They're all holding losing positions. All of the trade calls have failed. Even before the pullback, the trade calls were already failing. And now the pullback is done. They're still failing. They can't afford to buy jet skis. People are calling them out right in his own channels. You Kool-Aid drinkers, you need to wake up and look what's being said right in the comments. So I'm going to end the video here, folks. But I want to remind you that I've opened up another YouTube channel. I know it's a pain in the ass, but you have to understand, Snippy has had my main Silver Gold Man YouTube channel gonzo. They've told him to flag it. And now just this week, another aide, or he's not an amigo, but his name is Crypto Blood, has made a video. He's got a lot of subscribers. He's been promoting the Cliff High bullshit, so it's a whole bunch of Kool-Aid drinkers over on that channel also. He's told them all to come over and flag my other Silver Gold Man channel. So there's an ongoing war to try and flag me because of my what? Probably my track record. I predicted every damn stock market crash a full 6 months before they happen ever since 2008, and now I've just called the bottom on Bitcoin. So yeah, that's why Cliffy and the gang, I guess they're all ganging up on me. Anyways, I just want to make this video, let you guys know that we're having an impact and the numbers don't lie.